congratulations. So you just celebrated your 3rd wedding anniversary with Tony, and that's so...
It's like, yay, he's here. It's like the golden anniversary in Hollywood, right?
Yeah.
It's like, we're halfway there.
You're halfway there.
We're halfway done.
If you can make it 6 years, you've done it.
I know, that was us on our vacation.
Where did you go?
Croatia. That's Tony's hat, really. Croatia, which I had no idea where it was. I don't know if you guys know where Croatia is, but I kept going, honey, where are we going? Russia? And he's like, Croatia.
It's supposed to be beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Look at that. You were on a boat out in the
Adriatic Sea, and and it was. Tony surprises me every year. He won't tell me what we're going to do for the anniversary or my birthday.
You didn't know you were going there?
I knew we were going to Croatia, but like the day of our anniversary, he always planned something. So we went to this big castle, and he planned this dinner. Had some weird food, but it was really
But it's a castle and it's romantic, so he surprises you all the time.
Yeah.
But that is romantic, the Croatia trip and the castle.
Did I not know where Croatia was?
Yeah, the day before we left, she had no idea where we were going.
Had you been there before?
Yes.
I've heard it's beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Beautiful,
yeah.
beautiful.
And historic. And they have the best Italian food because it was ruled by Italians for so long.
Right.
Huh, babe?
No, we had fun. It was